Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new trading week. Kris from the Mindbloome Exchange, or me, and today we're going to look at official Trump. It's a new meme coin. I just heard about it last night, so there's quite a bit of hype around it, and there was quite a bit of movement from $0 all the way to like $80. So I had a couple people say, "Hey Kris, can you jump in and look at where it's going and why and etc." So overall, being that it's a meme coin, we'll probably not have much data on it. So if we jump into the 4 hour, as you can sort of see, there isn't really much to look at, but with the 4 hour, there is a little bit of data. I am using Tether KCX as the data provider for this example. And I'm just going to run some levels quickly on where I could see potentially this market in going. 105s is quite, but I thought, but when we look into a little onto the 30-minute, let's do 30-minute. I like 30-minute myself personally. It's a good break from the 60, and on top of that, it's it's a little bit more precise on sort of giving you the levels that you're sort of after. And the reason why I am doing skinnier levels for the 30-minute is because it's like a thinner wall that it will take a little bit more time to break. And yeah, perfect. So right now, currently for this meme coin, and this is, we'll see how it goes, but the high end that I sort of see this going to, let's even jump to 5-minute. Why not? And let's just go as high as we can and going like, where could this balloon to if this had to balloon? $116. That makes sense. So, and while we're in the 5-minute, we're gonna, I'll be able to see a couple things here. One, here's our level of support right here. And then this was a level of resistance for this channel. Once it broke out, it came back to that level of support. And now we're driving up to this level of resistance. And then we'll drive up to that level of resistance. And then if we can break through that this level here will become our support. Now, let's be a little bit more clear on what levels and why and how for this market itself. So what we're going to do is I like to throw in the fib because the fib retracement, it gives you just some levels to work with. And if you looked at those levels, as you can sort of see, the level came back towards 61.8, and then it pushed up to the 236, and then pushed into the 50% retracement, and it looks like it's a W pattern, and off we go to the races. So fib levels are really important, and I think that honestly Fibonacci is part of the world. It's part of our DNA, and so to get rid of it and to easily underestimate it, I think means that we're underestimating us being human. And yeah, that's why I use it personally. Next thing we're going to do is throw in our pitchfork. There's our middle. There's our top, etc. Actually, how perfect was that? As you can sort of see, when we threw that in, once we hit the 61.8, the likelihood once we established the median line, it would get hit. So that's very interesting there. And then from there, let's run into 5-minute. Do I like everything in the 5-minute? I do. The reason why I didn't use this top here instead of there is because this was the finish of the wave itself. It looks like a truncated 5. And if you don't understand what a truncated 5 is, it's Elliott waves, and then what that means is you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes the fifth wave doesn't surpass wave 4. Or 1, 2, 3, wave 3, my apologies. So looking at this market here, what can we take out of it? Well, I can do another fork here. And then I'll give you my assessment. Right now we're on a bull run. Currently, and the next levels for us to hit, we already surpassed that level at 52. So the next level I see us getting to is 61. If we maintain this bull run here, and then we go up to a fib level at 63. And then from there, on and on and on and on and on. You already know how this story goes. So I will do the first 3 levels. And based on what I'm sort of seeing here, I'll run it in this way, is if this market continues upward, we can see levels of 61, 68, and then of course we can go higher than that in that manner there. But be mindful, if this market for whatever reason breaks to the bottom, right? I wouldn't be surprised we could see a 38 level drop. So as quick as this meme coin has come up, that's what I'm currently seeing on the 5-minute. And if we jump to the 30-minute, just to get some more clarity, we can make that a little bit simpler. So example, this low right here, if we go below that low, we could see a nice little drop down, and possibly, I don't think we'll drop based on that we have inauguration today for Trump. So, but the levels that I could see is even going down to 25. However, if we can continue to break further past the 38.2 level, which is right here, then I personally think, actually, you know what? Take that out. It's a little bit noisy. I personally think that, and this is just my following what I'm saying, if we can break above the 55 range, then I could see us getting to the 89s. Possibly, I wouldn't be surprised even 104s. So right now, currently, it's sitting on this, I would say, 55 level. And if we can't break that 55, then I would suspect that we could, if we break the 46, then we'll possibly go down to the 24s. So there's a little bit of a breakdown for you on today's official Trump meme coin. Let me know what you think. Boost, comment, share. And if you have any questions, send me a DM or head over to my profile. Take care. Have an awesome day. And the next coin that I'll be analyzing is Dogecoin, and then Solana. And then from there, we'll be looking at into the Forex market, US gold, or over US dollar, gold over US dollar, Euro USD, and USD yen. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.